Hey guys, just want to share with you something I just picked up. It's the Kzyee endoscope here. I don't know if you guys have ever used one of these, but this thing can come in really handy. I mean, it has so many uses. Um, but I thought for like working on your car, if you're installing parts on it, this thing can come in really handy. Pretty much what it is, it's a little camera on the end of a flexible tube. It has a little light on it so you can get in the hard to reach areas. This one includes these two tips here. One's a hook and one's a little magnet. But here's the unit. Comes with everything you need. Has a USB charger. It's 1080 resolution. Takes video. It'll take still shots. It's waterproof. So here's the hook you can attach to the end of it if you have to hook something out. And here's another tip. It has a magnet. So if you have to get like a screw or something that you dropped. And it has an LED light on here. Really neat device. Like I said, you could use this to check your drains in your house, get inside the walls and see what's going on. But I thought for the auto world, it'd be really good to see, like I said, if you're installing parts, something that you really can't see with like a flashlight. Well, I'll kind of run through this and show you how it works. So I turned it on here. Really nice display. As you can see, it powers right up. And then this is the image you're seeing from the end of it. So I'll set the box in a way so you can kind of see the resolution of it real quick. So that's what you're seeing here. I have it upside down too because I haven't uncoiled it yet. But to give you an idea, it's instant feed too. It's 11.5 foot long cord, so you can get into all the hard to reach areas. And then here's how you toggle down. You can see it's highlighted here. You just push this down arrow right here, and it'll go to the next little box. Okay? And then what you're going to do, when you get it where you want, push this square on the far right, and it's going to select it. So you see here, right now it's counting, so it's recording a live video. And then you can also take a still shot. When you scroll down, that'll be a still shot. You do it and it takes a screenshot of that and saves it. And it also has a memory card slot too, so you could put a memory card if you do a lot of stuff working around your house, your car, wherever. It's pretty neat because, like I said, it'll give you a view that you can't really get. And here's all the settings you can adjust, the brightness and all that kind of stuff. But I was thinking this would come in so handy when I was installing the ambient lighting kit. Since you have to go through the console, you can't even see anything. This would come in really handy to see kind of where to push the wire through. Mine, it was kind of a trial and error. But really nice. Very basic unit that has everything you need on it. Comes with this little rubberized protector on it too. So it'll be protected against bumps. But I thought it's pretty neat. Let me know in the comment section if you guys use these things and what you guys think. Like I said, there's so many uses for it. Especially like under the hood. You know, like a lot of these cars, it's so tight to work on them. You can't really see what you're doing. Well, this thing you can snake in anywhere you want. You can see, is there a bolt really there? Is there a clip? Before you go ripping things apart, this will tell you, you know, and sometimes that's half of it, just knowing where things are if you're working on it or disassembling it. I remember when I installed the intake on my Accord, I couldn't really tell like if there's more clips, if there's another bolt. Well, this thing would have come in handy. You kind of look all around it, then you know before you break something. So here's the resolution. Again, I haven't uncoiled it, so it's got to be upside down, but you can see how crystal clear that is. That's the text. Really nice. So you're going to see a 1080 resolution image. Thought there's so many uses. Like I said, if you're really hands-on and do a lot of work yourself, it could really save you some trouble. So let me go under the hood of the Pilot and I'll show you kind of how it would work. Okay, guys. So here I am under the hood. Just want to give you a quick overview of what you could use it for. So this engine compartment isn't as tight as the Accord, but you can get the idea. How it'll show you anything that's hard. Like I said, it's hard to do, especially using a phone with the camera on it. Bang up your phone trying to get it in these little areas where this little thing can slip down anywhere. You know, you want to check the block. You want to see if you have a oil leak on it, but you can't really see it. You don't really want to take it to the dealer. Well, you can snake this thing down there and see if you're leaking oil somewhere, you know. Or if you're removing something, like I said, you can attach the magnet and pull the bolt out. You know, you can attach this flexible tube, attach it to a stick, so you can reach way far in the back if you want. It is rigid too once you uncoil this thing, but I mean, you could attach it to a coat hanger or anything you wanted to really get down in there to see. You know, if you're working on your car or an older car, for that matter. It just makes it a lot easier, like things that you never could really see. You just be guessing. This will show you. So this was a neat little thing. Like I said, let me know if you guys have used these, what your guys' thoughts of them are. Definitely seems like something that would be really handy to use. Especially, like I said, if you're disassembling something or trying to find a little leak. You know, it would kind of give you the different vantage point. And especially like if you come up underneath the car, you know, and you use this thing, because it's really hard to see in there too. You know, it has a bright LED light on it. You can check something out. Then you'll know, yeah, I do have a leak. I have to take it to the dealer or whatever. Or no, it wasn't a leak. I thought it was. You know, if you guys are noticing maybe something on the ground leaking from your car, they kind of pinpoint it with this. Be a little easier to diagnose. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Like I said, there's a lot of uses for this. Something even like this, like if you can't reach in here, you can check it out. If it's making a noise, or you want to know if you need more grease on it, on the latch, whatever you need to do. Just a little handy tool. Like, I never used one before. I think it's pretty handy, because a lot of times I was hoping when I was working on my car, if I could only see what's behind there. Is there a clip behind there to remove? And you don't really know, so you kind of start pulling on things, and then if it breaks, you know, then you have to spend more money to replace it. So this kind of will help you out, I think, in that regards too. So I just want to share it with you guys. If you guys are interested, check the link in the description. Give you some savings on it. There will be a coupon code here. So check the description for the coupon code, save you some money. Like I said, it's very handy. So many uses that you could use it for. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. I appreciate it. I really do. If you have any questions, concerns, definitely drop them below. I'll get back to you. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.